Hey guys, we're in this epic turkey obstacle course here, and me just randomly running around the field.
Alright, so here's what's going on. Hunting with kids is hard, y'all. It's tough to get everything ready for a hunt. We got down into the spot and we're going to hunt tomorrow. We spooked birds out of the field. We started to set up a blind. A couple of poles broke, so we went back to the truck to get the other blind. Thankfully, we brought two with us on this trip to Kentucky. But fighting the wind and the weather. There's been tornadoes here in the south all day. We're trying to make the most of it best as we can. But that's how you learn. Kids figure out pretty quick. Hunting's hard work, but it's enjoyable. But it is just that, it's hard work. So trying to get this stuff set up, trying to get staked down enough that the wind doesn't carry it away tonight. There'll actually be a blind there tomorrow too. Hang with us. See if we can't get a turkey for the first day of the youth weekend in Kentucky. Good windy morning. It's April 1st. We're looking for a couple April Fools out here today. Trying to get Kaelyn on a turkey for the beginning of the Kentucky Youth Weekend. We set up this blind last night. It's been super windy overnight though. We had tornado warnings coming through. We did our best to stake down this blind. Thankfully everything was still standing this morning. But we don't know how much gobbling we're gonna hear, but we've set up in this field that we saw some birds in last night. There was a handful of hens and 2 toms for sure that were in that group. And we've just set up a couple decoys in anticipation that between the calling and the visual, we might be able to have a turkey close enough for a shot from Kaelyn's 410. So it's nice and sunny, which is good. Birds are singing, but it is breezy. But we've picked a spot that we thought was well tucked out of the wind, and these birds were in here yesterday afternoon, so hopefully this is a spot they like as the wind continues. But Kaelyn, good luck this morning. Got him. Got him. Nice job. Yeah, buddy. That's a nice tom, too. Yes. I heard him.
Coming out of my juice.
I heard him strutting. Did you hear that?
Yes.
And he came around the side here. And he came right there, and you dropped him right there on the spot. Yeah, girl.
Man, my heart was coming out of my chest. It's like, this is very fast.
Yeah. He didn't gobble at all, did he?
It's a fast sound.
Yeah. Well, you can tell it's windy and cold. Kaelyn's cold. 63 this morning. Big storm's coming through. And I said to Kaelyn, I said, I hear a bird strutting. Right behind us from the woods right there. And came right around to that Jake decoy strutting, and Kaelyn let him have it. Good shot, honey. Took longer to set up than it did to hunt, didn't it? Okay, so our strategy was that we kind of did the triangle format, which works well with decoys. So had the jig out here on the end, but then had two hens and then another hen single by herself over, because you just never know what the turkeys are going to come into. They may not be a dominant bird, may not want to fight, and may be more interested in the hens. Also spacing them out enough that if you have several birds coming in, hopefully they'll kind of take interest in multiple birds. So this is kind of what we had. The Jake decoy was right here, and had two feeders, and then another one here, and then Kaelyn was right there. That's where she shot it from. Well, thanks for joining us today for another video in God's Great Outdoors. We enjoy being together out as a family. We appreciate you watching, and if you would, we'd enjoy if you'd like this video. Show Kaelyn some love for her bird that she got, but also subscribe so you can watch some other videos that we share as a family as we keep heading to the woods and trying to bring you more turkey hunting and other hunting content. Thanks for watching today.
So as you see here, we have this fine specimen here, it's very moist, and this is a crockett.
Mm-hmm.
Anyways,